What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and yours truly was on Good Morning America checking out some awesome Black Friday sales at Walmart for a ton of awesome tech. And today, I'm gonna show you guys the products that I was talking about during this segment and a couple more. So if you're looking to pick up some new tech, but you don't wanna spend a lot of money, you're gonna wanna pay attention. And the first thing we're gonna talk about is this little guy over here, the Lenovo Tab M8 HD tablet. Now, just by the looks of it, looks like just like a standard tablet, but this thing has a lot of functionality. Now, this thing is a tablet, so you can pick it up, do tablet things with it, whether that's watching content, streaming stuff, even doing some gaming. You've got the ability to do all of that right here, but because it has this nice little dock, you can kind of keep it in one spot, let it charge up, and you can use it with Google Assistant like you would a standard voice assistant that you usually have somewhere in the house. What makes this thing special is that you can speak to it, ask it questions, have it control your smart home if you have any smart products, but because it's able to leave the dock, you can do a little bit more than your standard voice assistant that stays in one place because you can take this thing anywhere. So you can pretty much just pick this up, take it to whatever room you'd like, and just pretty much do standard tablet things. I like the flexibility of this a lot because you just don't get that with your standard voice assistant. And what's awesome about this guy is that it typically goes for 99 bucks, but thanks to the Black Friday sale, you'll be able to pick it up for just 59 bucks, which is a $40 savings. So at 49 bucks, I like this thing and I think it is a solid pickup. And next up, we've got an HP 15.6-inch Core i3 laptop. And check this out, guys. Instead of paying 400 bucks for this, through Black Friday, you're gonna get it for just $249. That is unheard of for a full-blown laptop like this. Now, a $250 price tag on this is actually pretty impressive because this is a full-blown laptop. You've got your number pad over here on the side, so you got a full-size keyboard, but it also has a few other bells and whistles. We're talking a touchscreen, so if you wanna go ahead and just use your finger to navigate on the screen, you can do that as well. And it also comes with 256 gigs of storage, which is pretty solid, but what's great is that it has a solid state drive. So that means you're gonna get faster speeds when accessing things like your photos and videos. But when we're talking about speed, we've also got some speed when it comes to charging. So you're supposed to get 10 hours of battery life with this guy, but if you bring it down to 0, in just 45 minutes of charging, you'll get up to 50% battery life on the laptop, which is amazing. So with HP's fast charge, you'll get 50% in less than an hour, which is really cool. And it is 2020 where the webcam matters and you have a 720p webcam up top. So if you gotta get on those conference calls, you'll be able to do that here with no problem. Overall, I think it is a good value. You got a nice large laptop that's actually pretty lightweight, solidly built, so it's durable. It's just a really good value at $250. Next up, guys, we have the FitRx Percussion Massager. And this is an item that's getting a ton of popularity these days. And basically what it is a massager that's going to help with post-workout recovery, helps with pain relief, also improving circulation, as well as reducing inflammation. And basically what you do is you turn this thing on, and with this, it'll use the massager head and you can target certain areas, basically give yourself a massage so that you can feel better in areas that you need it. And it's 2020, so why not give the gift of relaxation or some self-care? So I think this is an awesome pickup, but it also comes with a travel case because this thing is pretty portable. You can take it pretty much anywhere. But if you go ahead with the case, you'll actually have access to a few accessories as well. So you can switch out the heads that you have on the massager, and you can choose between any of these 4. So with this round head, you'll be able to target large muscles. With the flat, you can use this pretty much anywhere on your body. You can use the precision head for deep tissue massages, as well as this U-shaped one for your neck and spine. So you have all the different options depending on what kind of recovery you're looking for. And what's great is that you can take them all, put them inside the case, and even travel with it. So if you want to take it to the gym after a workout, you can immediately take it out after the gym and start working on your recovery. But the craziest part about all of this is that this typically retails for 79 bucks, But thanks to Black Friday, you'll be able to get this for just $38. That is an amazing price for this kind of product, and it absolutely is a great value and makes a nice gift. Now this is a fun one. This is the Shark IQ Robot RV1000 Wi-Fi vacuum. And this is a great gift for someone who doesn't like to constantly clean. This little guy can just do it for you, hands-free. Now, what's awesome about this robot vacuum is, unlike other robot vacuums that typically run around aimlessly, this one uses Shark IQ navigation, so it cleans row by row intelligently. So it goes around the house and picks everything up, including pet hair. So if you have a little furry one, this will be able to pick up all of that shedding. Now, what's also great about this particular vacuum is that it's got this docking station over here. Instead of having to constantly clean out the canister inside of this vacuum, it'll take everything that it picked up and have it sucked into this canister right here. So it goes to charge as well as empty itself out right in here, and you don't have to change this thing or empty it out for 30 days. So that's a long time of not having to actually go ahead and clean. Just kind of trust this guy to do it for you, and it'll do it intelligently. And this is also a really smart robot vacuum because it comes with an app so that you can schedule when it starts cleaning, so you can get it to clean exactly when you want, maybe when you're not home. And it also works with voice assistant. So if you want to just use your voice, you can speak to a voice assistant and tell the Shark to actually start cleaning. It'll do it without you having to touch anything, which is really cool. And this typically costs $300, but thanks to Black Friday, you'll be able to pick it up for just 200 bucks, which is a great deal, especially if you want to give this as a gift to someone who doesn't love cleaning. Now guys, we got to take a look at this. This is the Alltech Lansing Jacket H2O speaker. So this is a portable Bluetooth speaker that you can pair up with any Bluetooth device. And what's awesome about this is not only does it have this really small form factor, but it's got a rugged design. It's got an everything proof IP67 rating, so you can throw some water at it, this thing won't flinch. You can take it on whatever adventure you'd like, and it'll be able to keep up with you. It's got some cool things like a sturdy carabiner clip, so if you want to take this thing on a hike and listen to some music as you go up, you'll be able to just have a carabiner clip strapped onto you. And it even has a thread down here, so if you want to throw this thing on a stand or a tripod of some sort so you can kind of place your music up, have it stand up with you, you'll be able to do that too. And even though this thing is pretty tiny, it gets surprisingly loud and has some pretty decent bass, so you'll be able to really feel your music. And it has 100-foot range, so if you're having a party, maybe you've got it on the other side of the pool, you can walk around with your phone, kind of step away from it, and your music will keep on going. And it's got a 10-hour battery life, so you'll be able to listen to your music for quite some time. And it has an interesting pairing mode where you can sync up 2 of these to get even more sound out of it. And if you've got this thing paired up with one of your smartphones, it has a little speaker over here, the Just Ask button. So it has voice assistant integration. So if you have your voice assistant and you want to pull it up, press this button, speak into it, and you can go ahead and use your voice assistant. Really, really cool stuff. Now this guy typically retails for $49.88, but for Black Friday, you can pick it up for just 20 bucks, which is a really, really great deal considering how much sound you get out of something so tiny and durable. And sticking in the realm of audio, we have the On True Wireless Earbuds, which are an exclusive to Walmart. Now these are a pair of truly wireless earbuds, which means they have no cable, so you can just pop each one into your ear and you don't have to worry about any cables dangling. This is the maximum portability that you can possibly get. They also have built-in microphones, so if you want to use them to answer any calls, you'll be able to do that, or even use them to talk to your phone's voice assistant. You'll be able to access all of that thanks to the microphones built in. And when you're done using them, you can just pop them inside of their case. Now, these will give you 4 hours of battery life, so when you're done using them and you pop them back into their case, they'll actually get charged inside of here, so they'll give you an additional 8 hours of battery life, totaling 12 hours of battery life. Now, like I said, these are Bluetooth earbuds, so you can use them with pretty much any device that has Bluetooth, so your phone, your laptop, doesn't matter. You'll be able to use these, and it only goes for, drum roll, 14 bucks. They typically cost $20, but 14 bucks thanks to the Black Friday sale. These are a solid pickup and make an awesome stocking stuffer. And that about wraps it up, guys. Those were some awesome pieces of tech that we can find only at Walmart for those great prices that I mentioned, thanks to Black Friday. If you guys are interested, I'll have links down below in the description to everything talked about in this video. And if you enjoyed it, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.